Hey guys, today I'll show you how you can get TinyTask on mobile. So let's get started. If you open the App Store and search for TinyTask, you may notice that the app doesn't appear. That's because TinyTask is designed specifically for Windows PCs and doesn't have an official mobile version. However, if you're looking for a similar tool on your phone, you can search for an auto clicker app instead. These apps can provide similar automation features. Once you find a suitable auto clicker app in the App Store, tap Get to install it. After the installation is complete, open the app and follow the setup instructions. You may see an advertisement when you first launch the app, which you can close, then go through the initial setup and choose your preferred language. When the setup is complete, look for the Auto Click feature. Depending on the app, you may be asked to start a subscription, so make sure to review the available options before continuing. Keep in mind that an auto clicker is an alternative to TinyTask, not the official TinyTask app. I hope this video helps. Leave a like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.